Microsoft delivered a new functionality in SharePoint Online video pages where you can use your video materials to create the structure in the SharePoint, which is great possibility to create knowledge base based on the videos using SharePoint Online. In this video I will show you how to create very cheap, delivered rapid way knowledge base based on SharePoint using video materials that you can record by yourself or by using recordings of the meetings across your organizations. In few steps you will be able to create the space in your SharePoint Online where you can store your video materials and create very nice looking knowledge base based on these videos just in few clicks without any coding. And if you like this video and if you want to get more similar materials, I highly recommend you to leave the subscription thumbs up, or if you have any questions, please use the comment section below. Now we will switch to my screen where I will show you how knowledge base built based on SharePoint Online and video pages could look like, how you can create knowledge base for your organizations just in a few moments. Create SharePoint site for your knowledge base. When you want to create the knowledge base, the first point you want to start with is the creation of the space that you will use on SharePoint. I recommend you to use the communication site template for your SharePoint site, and moreover you can use Learning Center as a template for your knowledge base landing page. You need to just set site name, description and the address, and you can create the SharePoint site immediately on the SharePoint Online. In few moments dedicated space will be created to host your knowledge base and you will be able to start to work there. In the moment you get the access to your knowledge base landing page, which you can customize, so I recommend you highly to go to change the look section where you can select the color theme for your knowledge base, adapt your header to be described this way, you can also upload there the image. And after few changes you will get the results with your logo, with your title, with the background and color change and adapt to your space. You can use the structure of the website then to prepare the navigation for your business users to navigate them to your trainings in the knowledge base. Prepare video materials for your trainings. The next step will be to create the training materials, so the way how you will materialize your knowledge. And to be fair, recording the meeting is the cheapest, the simplest way to prepare the training material for your knowledge base. If you will go to the Teams and go to the calendar, you can use Meet Now function, which will start the meeting then just with yourself, which you can record and prepare the training materials for your users. So the only thing you need to do is to join now and then record the meeting. You can share your screen, you can share your applications, you can talk to camera and record that meeting for your participants. You can also open Microsoft Stream and then start the recording of your screen or the camera to generate the recording directly hosted in your OneDrive. In the description of the video you will find the details how to manage that process, but if your organization will own Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 subscriptions, you will be also able to open the Clip Champ application where you can do similar operation, so to record your screen, to record your camera, to edit the video and deliver it in the more advanced structure. More details also about this method to record your screen in the description of the video. When your recordings will be ready in the OneDrive folder recordings, remember that you need to copy them to your new knowledge base. First of all, to be sure that retention policy of the recordings will not remove them after 30 days. Moreover, to grant access all users in the organization that should have been there. So select the knowledge base and copy the files to the new location. When your data will be copied to documents in the knowledge base, you can start to prepare the training materials. Create the navigation and structure for your knowledge base. Now, when our videos are located in the SharePoint, we can open them and we will be navigated to Microsoft Stream. And this will be really good point to remind you that you can improve this video. You can create the transcript, you can add the chapters, and you can get the subtitles to this video, description, other elements just using Microsoft Stream. In the description of the video you will find the instruction how to do that. But what we want to do, we want to create the video page using the share button and option create the video news post. This will navigate us back to the Microsoft SharePoint, where we will create the post that will embed automatically this video to our Microsoft SharePoint site. You can use few templates, recap, message, and the training, which I highly recommend you. You can select it and you will automatically create very nice looking SharePoint page that could be your knowledge base article. After some addition, you can add links to other elements, training leaders, and navigate your users to the other materials across your knowledge base. You can also add some description. And finally, you can post the new training, and you can also decide in the previous screen if you want to send this material via email to your business users to let them know that the new training is here. On the middle of the screen you can also click on the button and the video will be played to your business user. If you will go back to the site content and site pages, you will see that you have their new page created how to use Microsoft Stream. And this is the easiest way to create rapidly great looking articles for your knowledge base, which you can then create the navigation on the top of your screen to move your users there. The one thing which I also recommend you to do when you will have already created articles for your materials is to tune up your landing page. You can use two elements to simplify your page. Again, we're thinking about rapid development of the knowledge base. So use the hero web part to navigate your users to the specific materials, like in here, the specific video article that we created, and you can update the metadata here. And you can see you can use the hero web part to promote the top training materials that you prepared. And one more thing that you can use is highlighted content, where you can promote videos across your site. And you can see this is super simple because this is dynamic, and you can promote the training materials that you will update here. You can add the thumbnails, you can add the description, you can tune up the way how your knowledge base based on the simple recorded videos will be published in Microsoft 365 using SharePoint Online. And in few clicks you can create very nice looking knowledge base that will recommend the trainings for your business users in very nice form without much work on your site. You will be able to navigate them through interesting topics, and you will be able to navigate them through video-based materials stored in your knowledge base. You can see it was very rapid process, and in the end we get very nice results about how the knowledge base could looks like and what kind of materials you can get there. I highly recommend you to try and share your comments, share your ideas, what do you think about such an approach, and if your organization already using video-based knowledge base for your business users. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.